Introduction to the Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection. Itching, irritation, dryness, yeast infections, ingrown hairs, and sagging tissue. At some stage in their life, every woman may experience some discomfort that affects their intimate areas, be it during puberty, pregnancy, or in menopause. Feminine intimate areas represent one of the most delicate and sensitive parts of the body and therefore deserve very specific care. This is why Nelly De Vuyst is proud to introduce the Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection, the first line in the world designed for intimate feminine hygiene and well-being and certified Cosmos Organic by EcoCert Green Life. The Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection is designated by the pink logo and offers a full range of highly effective organic products which are gluten-free, vegan, eco-friendly, fair trade, biodegradable, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. After several years of research, this exclusive collection was developed in collaboration with a team of scientists and gynecologists. The Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection provides safe and effective solutions to any discomfort that a woman may encounter from puberty to menopause. It is specifically suitable for women prone to vaginal yeast infections, vaginal dryness, loss of tone in the intimate areas, for example after pregnancy or during menopause, or for women who are prone to ingrown hairs after hair removal. The Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection will help to restore and maintain a healthy pH and bacterial flora, treat and prevent vaginal yeast infections, improve hydration and comfort, promote tissue firmness, prevent ingrown hairs after hair removal. The Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme products are intended for external use only in just 2 quick and easy steps: pump and wipe. The formulas have been developed according to eco-friendly manufacturing processes and follow the Cosmos guidelines. For more information on the Cosmos standards, please consult the video, the EcoCert Cosmos Organic label. Each product is free of controversial chemicals that are toxic to the body or the environment. They are formulated without parabens, gluten, soy, fragrance, or alcohol. They are GMO-free, sulfate-free, PEG-free, mineral oil-free, propylene glycol-free, silicone-free, methyl-isothiazolinone-free, phthalate-free, formaldehyde-free, without synthetic dyes, without endocrine disruptors, and without nanoparticles. Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection is safe for women who are gluten intolerant or who are following strict medical treatments such as chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or other treatments. The packaging and containers are recyclable. The printed characters on the containers are made with plant-based ink in order to avoid harmful substances found in conventional inks. The performance and effectiveness of Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme products stem from the diadermic method, the unique manufacturing process at Nelly De Vuyst. As a reminder, the diadermic method allows for maximizing the synergy and absorption of active ingredients into the skin. It offers ultralight textures that are perfectly biocompatible with the skin. Discover the Nelly De Vuyst Bio Femme Collection, the first line in the world designed for intimate feminine hygiene and well-being and certified Cosmos Organic by EcoCert Green Life.